guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, hi, I'm Dikshita. Welcome to my channel. So in today's video I'll be sharing with you a beginner's makeup kit. I have done this kind of video in the past as well, but since then I came across a lot of good products, a lot of affordable good products, so I thought of sharing a new makeup kit with you guys, and I have tried to keep it affordable, but I didn't compromise on the quality because I didn't want to recommend you guys any product which you will regret buying just for the sake of keeping it affordable. So I didn't compromise on the quality at all. Also, in my opinion, you should always invest in your base makeup, because अगर आपका base makeup अच्छा होगा ना, तो उसके ऊपर आप कुछ भी apply करेंगे वो अच्छा लगेगा. So you can always experiment with color cosmetics like your eyeshadows, your blushes, highlighters and these things, but you should always have a good base makeup like your foundation, concealer, your primers should be good. So all these things only I have kept in mind while creating this makeup kit for you guys. And in this makeup kit I have included each and everything, including some tools, and for each category I am giving you like couple of options, so it will be easy for you to guys to pick and choose. So yeah guys, if you are interested, please keep on watching this video. So the very first product which I have is this one from Swiss Beauty. This is their Real Makeup Base Highlighting Primer. I'm not recommending this product to you guys as a primer. I'm recommending this as a illuminating base. So if you are into illuminating base, if you want your makeup to look glowy, you should always use a strobing cream or highlighting primer with your foundation or underneath your foundation. So for that it's a very good option. So let me show you how it looks like. So it has this cream kind of consistency, and when you blend this, it provides a very nice illuminating base, as you can see. So it contains very tiny shimmer particles, but when you apply this on your face, those shimmer particles won't be that visible. ऐसे कोई chunky particles नहीं है, बहुत ही tiny से shimmer particles हैं, जिसकी वजह से it gives you a very nice illuminating base. I'm wearing this actually under my base makeup, so it provides your base a very nice illuminating finish which looks very healthy and very beautiful. So if you're looking for a strobing cream, this is a very good option, and it's very affordable as well. I think this one retails for some 300 or something, and I think you can easily find discount as well. I have this one in the shade Natural Tint, but I think इसके अंदर एक और shade available है. Now for the primer, I have this primer from Maybelline for you. This is their Fit Me primer. This one is in the variant Matte Plus Poreless. इसके अंदर एक और variant आता है which is a hydrating one. So this primer is good for normal to oily skin. They say that it is good for normal to oily skin because this is a matte primer, but I feel that any kind of skin type can use this primer because it hydrates your skin as well. It has a very nice creamy kind of consistency. It's poreless primer, but it doesn't feel silicone-y, so it's a good primer. It provides a very nice base to your makeup. The foundation applies really well on top of this primer, and it makes your makeup last for a really long time. Now if you have large pores, this primer won't be able to fill your pores completely. It does say that it is poreless primer, but it doesn't fill your pores completely. So for that I have a silicone based primer for you, which is this one from Nykaa. This is their Prep Me Up primer. Again a very good primer and very affordable. Like this is again in like 400 or 500 rupees. Yeah, this one retails for 500 rupees, but again you can easily find discount on this primer. Easily 25% discount आपको मिल जाएगा. And this primer is actually very good. It's a silicone based primer, so it fills your pores really well. I'm wearing this primer only on my face today. Now for foundation, I have none other than our Maybelline Fit Me foundation. It's a very beautiful foundation, you guys. It provides a very nice finish. It says that it's a matte plus poreless foundation, but I think any kind of skin type can use this foundation. If you have very dry skin, just hydrate your skin really well or use a hydrating primer underneath, and you will be able to use this foundation. It has a very nice shade range, so you can easily find your shade in this foundation, और आपको बहुत अच्छे references भी मिल जाएंगे इस foundation के, because everyone loves this foundation. Also it provides a very nice coverage. Like it's not a full coverage foundation, but it gives you a medium to high coverage, and it's very easy to build up the coverage with this foundation. It doesn't look cakey or anything on your face. Like I'm wearing this foundation only on my face, and it looks so beautiful. Also this foundation now comes in this squeezy tube packaging, which is again very convenient and affordable as well. In this one you get 18 ml of product, which is a very good quantity especially for beginners, and this one retails for only 300 rupees. So if you're new to makeup and if you don't want to spend a lot of money in foundation, like because generally लोग foundation wear करना ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं करते हैं, like occasionally they wear foundation, so you can always start with this mini squeezy tube because इसके अंदर बहुत सारा product भी मिल रहा है आपको which will last for a pretty long time. Now I have one more foundation recommendation for you guys, which is this one from Lakme. This is their 925 primer plus matte perfect cover foundation. I have this foundation in the shade warm beige, but this shade doesn't matches me perfectly, so I'll mention my correct shade in the description box for you. Again, it's not a full coverage foundation, but it provides a very nice medium to buildable coverage. You can easily build up the coverage with this foundation. Provides a very nice finish and it also lasts for a really long time. और इसके अंदर भी काफ़ी सारे shades available हैं. I think 10 to 15 shades are available in this foundation and you can easily find your shade. Next for concealer, again I have two options for you. So first one is this one from Swiss Beauty. It's their liquid concealer. I have this concealer in the shade 03 Light Moen. I think there are 6 shades available in this concealer and this shade works really well as a highlighting concealer for me. It's a very creamy concealer, but still it's not very heavy, so it feels very lightweight under the eyes. I'm wearing this concealer only under the eyes and it provides a very good coverage. It provides medium to full coverage and it's very easy to work with this concealer. It's a very beautiful concealer in this price point. And the second concealer which I have is this one from Cuffs and Lashes. This is their cover pot. I have this one in the shade 06. So the shade 06 works really well as a highlighting concealer for me. It comes in this kind of pot packaging. So मैंने जब इसको पहली बार try किया था ना, I thought it will be little dry because it comes in this kind of packaging. Like it's not a liquid concealer, it's kind of a cream product, so I thought it will be drying on the eyes, but no, it is not. It works really well and it provides a very nice coverage. Again, not heavy, very lightweight and very easy to work with. So both of these concealers are very good in a budget category, I feel. Next for powder, I have this compact powder from Nykaa. This is their all day matte compact powder. I have this one in the shade Olive 5, but this one is little dark for me, so I'll mention the correct shade in the description box for you. Now this powder is again a very good powder. So this is how it looks like. It comes with this full size mirror and you get this sponge as well, although it's not useful. I mean, not everyone uses this kind of sponges, but you get this sponge and the packaging and everything is really good and the product is also very good. It provides a nice coverage. Like it's not a full coverage powder, it's not your powder foundation, it's a basic compact powder which you can use to set your concealer or for touch-ups. So it's a very good powder for that. It provides a very nice matte finish and काफ़ी अच्छे से आपके concealer को set कर देता है and it keeps your concealer set for a long time. Now I have recommendation for loose powder as well for you guys, which is this one from Mars. This is their trend setting powder. It comes in this very nice tub packaging. I have this one in the shade translucent. I guess इसके अंदर 2 और shades आते हैं. Now this loose powder works really well. I use this one only to set my concealer today. Generally आपको loose powder इतने affordable price में नहीं मिलते हैं, but it's a very good powder with a very good packaging and performs really well. बहुत अच्छी matte finish provide करता है ये powder and it sets the concealer really well. It's a translucent powder, but it doesn't leave any kind of white cast. You can see my under eyes are not looking gray or white or anything. Like मैंने इसको यूज़ किया अंडर आइज़ को सेट करने के लिए, काफ़ी अच्छे से सेट कर दिया अंडर आइज़ को and I don't see that my under eyes are creasing. So it's a very good powder. I tried this powder sometime back only. I tried these products from Mars Cosmetics in my recent video and I was very impressed with this powder. So that's why I'm sharing this one with you. I have not used it multiple times. Like I have used it only couple of times, but उतने ही टाइम में मुझे पता चल गया that it's a good product. And if you're looking for a budget friendly loose powder, you can always check out this one. It's a very good powder, guys. Now for contour and bronzer, I have few recommendations. So first one is this one from Wet n Wild. This is their Mega Glow contouring palette. So this is how it looks like. You get this contouring shade, like it will work more of as a bronzer, and you get this powder as well. So it's kind of a 2-in-1 product and this is a very good product. इसके अंदर I guess 2 shades आते हैं. I have the shade Dulce Tilace, I think that's how you pronounce it. सो आई थिंक इसके अंदर 2 शेड्स आते हैं, तो इफ़ यू आर ऑफ माई स्किन टोन यू कैन यूज़ दिस शेड, दिस विल वर्क रियली गुड, दिस शेड विल वर्क रियली गुड एज अ ब्राउन्जर फॉर यू। बहुत ही अच्छा प्रोडक्ट है, बहुत ही ईजी टू अप्लाई है, बहुत ईजिली ब्लेंड हो जाता है, डजंट लुक पैची और एनीथिंग, बहुत ईजी है इसके साथ वर्क करना। सो इट्स अ वेरी गुड ऑप्शन। और 2 in 1 है तो आपको 2 प्रोडक्ट मिल जाएंगे। लाइक इफ़ यू don't want to buy powder separately, you can use this powder as well. It's kind of a banana powder, and this is again a really good product. Now I have one more bronzer recommendation for you, which is this one from Sugar. So I have this palette with me. This is their Contour the Force palette in the shade Vivid Victory. So you get these 3 products here. You get this contour, highlight and blush. Blush मुझे उतना ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है, but I really like these 2 products, and this is a very good product for contouring. So you don't actually need to buy this palette. This contour is available separately as well. Singles में भी आते हैं, and it's a very good product. Again, it's a very good color. It provides a very nice dimension to your face. Easy to work with, easy to blend. So काफ़ी अच्छा product है. दोनों ही जो contouring product है बहुत अच्छे हैं. Now if you are a beginner, it can be a little difficult for you to work with cream products, but still if you want to try cream contour or bronzer, you can try this one from Custom Lashes again. This is their cover pot, and this one is in the shade 12. It's a very nice color, so you can see it's a very nice shade for bronzing, and again it's very easy to work with. It blends very easily and बहुत अच्छी pigmentation मिलती है आपको. So if you're looking for a cream contour or bronzer in a budget category, it's a very good option. Next for blushes, I have these 2 blushes from Wet n Wild. So if you like matte blushes, you can try this shade from this blush range from Wet n Wild. This one is the shade Mellow Wine. It's a very beautiful shade, and this shade will look good with all kind of looks. I am wearing this one only on my face today. Now if you are okay with little bit of shimmers in your blushes, you can try this shade as well. This is the shade Pearlescent Pink. बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल शेड है. अगेन दिस वन ऑल्सो वर्क्स रियली वेल विथ ऑल काइंड ऑफ आई लुक्स. दोनों ही जो ब्लशेज हैं वो काफ़ी अच्छे हैं. ये आई थिंक पुरानी पैकेजिंग है और ये वाली नई पैकेजिंग है, दैट्स वाई इट लुक्स डिफरेंट, बट बोथ आर देयर कलर आइकॉन ब्लशेज ओनली. नाउ इफ यू कैन स्पेंड लिटिल बिट मोर ऑन ब्लशेज, आई हैव some really nice recommendation for you, which are these blushes from K Beauty. These are again matte blushes, बिल्कुल भी shimmers नहीं है इसके अंदर. They are pure matte blushes, and these blushes are so pretty. I have these 2 shades with me. I have the shade Sugar Candy. Let me show you how it looks like. So this is the shade Sugar Candy. बहुत ही beautiful packaging है, full size mirror भी मिलता है आपको. And the next one is this shade Soft Nude. This one is a very pretty shade, like it's a nude shade, so this one will work with all kind of looks. बहुत ही beautiful formula है, बहुत ही soft formula है, बहुत ज़्यादा pigmented है actually ये blushes, so you will have to be little careful because थोड़े से amount में ना आपको काफ़ी अच्छा color मिल जाता है cheeks पे. Now let's move on to highlighter, and for highlighter as well I have few options with me. So first one is this highlighter from Mars. काफ़ी अच्छे हाइलाइटर है, ये भी मैंने रिसेंटली ट्राई किए हैं, बट दे आर वेरी ब्यूटीफुल एंड वेरी वेल पिगमेंटेड. यू कैन सी वेरी ब्यूटीफुल हाइलाइटर, एंड दे डोंट कंटेन एनी काइंड ऑफ चंकी ग्लिटर पार्टिकल्स. बहुत ही टाइनी से शिमर पार्टिकल्स हैं इसके अंदर, एंड दे लुक वेरी ब्यूटीफुल. नाउ द नेक्स्ट रिकमेंडेशन फॉर हाइलाइटर इज अगेन फ्रॉम वेट एंड वाइल्ड, विच इज दिस वन. दिस इज देयर मेगा ग्लो हाइलाइटिंग पाउडर. दिस वन इज इन द शेड प्रेशियस पेटल्स. This is a very beautiful highlighter. I am wearing this highlighter on my face, so you can see it looks so pretty. बहुत ही beautiful है. It's very easy to build up this highlighter और बहुत ही beautiful लगता है. इतना soft, इतना creamy highlighter. See the pigmentation. Like it's a very pretty highlighter. I really love the highlighter from Wet n Wild. I have one more shade which is kind of a pink highlighter. I think the shade name is Blossom Pink. वो भी बहुत ही beautiful है. Now again, if you can spend a little bit more on your highlighters, you can check the highlighters from K Beauty. Again, very beautiful product. So this is how it looks like. Again, very soft highlighter, and see the pigmentation. Can you see? Yeah, it's a very pretty highlighter. Very easy to work with. Again, you can easily work with this. You can get a subtle glow. You can get that blinding glow, like in your face kind of glow. You can achieve that as well with this highlighter. बहुत ही beautiful, बहुत ही soft formula है. Doesn't contain any chunky particles. It doesn't exaggerate your texture if you have texture. it looks so pretty. So I think we are done with the face products, so let's move on to the eye products. So first one is eyebrows. So for that I have again few recommendations for you for different kind of eyebrow products. So if you like pencils for your eyebrow product, this one is a really good option. So this one is the pencil from Swiss Beauty. This is their soft waterproof precision eyebrow pencil. So this is how it looks like. I have this one in the shade dark brown. Yes, dark brown. So it's a very beautiful shade and it's a very beautiful pencil. So ये जो pencil है बहुत ज़्यादा creamy नहीं है, which I like. I don't like my eyebrow product to be very creamy or waxy. तो इसलिए I really like this. It's very easy to work with. You can easily fill your eyebrows with this, and you get this brush as well with this. Brush उतना अच्छा नहीं है, but still it does the job. So it's a very good option. It's a very affordable product. I think this is under 100 rupees. Now if you want to try some other kind of eyebrow product, like if you want to try pomades, you can use this product. It's a very good 2-in-1 product. So this is their eyebrow plus gel eyeliner. This is again from Swiss Beauty. So on the top you have this eyebrow product. This shade is really nice. Like it's a like grayish black shade, which works really well. I'm wearing this one only on my eyebrows today, and if you open it you get this liner. So it's like a 2-in-1 product, and it's a very good product. काफी अच्छे से pigmented है and काफ़ी अच्छा भी लगता है. इट्स वेरी इजी टू यूज़ दिस ऑन द आईब्रोज. और जो जेल लाइनर है वो भी काफ़ी अच्छा है. तो इट्स अ वेरी गुड प्रोडक्ट. अगेन वेरी अफोर्डेबल एंड अ वेरी गुड क्वालिटी प्रोडक्ट. नाउ इफ यू आर लुकिंग फॉर अ लेजी गर्ल ब्राउ ऑप्शन, this one is the perfect product for you. So this is a eyebrow gel mascara from Essence. This is their Make Me Brow Mascara. So this one is an eyebrow mascara. It contains fiber. So if you are a lazy girl, and if you are in hurry, you can just use this mascara. You just apply this mascara on your eyebrows and you are done. You are good to go. It's a very good product. इसके अंदर फाइबर है ना, तो काफ़ी अच्छे से आपकी आईब्रोज को फिल भी कर देता है ये, और काफ़ी अच्छे से सेट कर देता है. एंड इफ़ यू आर यूजिंग एनी powder product for your eyebrows, you can use this one to set them as well. So it's a very good product, and again a very good budget friendly product. Now the next category is eyeshadow palette, and I have few options in that category as well for you. So the first one is this one from Swiss Beauty. This is their ultimate shadow palette. This one is in the shade 04. It's a very beautiful palette. So this is a 9-pan palette. You get this 8 matte shades and the middle shade is a metallic shade. So this palette, this eyeshadow palette series is really good. You get 6 variants in this, so you can choose any kind of variant which suits your requirement. But this particular one, the shade 04, it's a very good everyday kind of palette, I think, and you can create lot of looks with this palette. इसके सारे matte shades काफ़ी अच्छे से perform करते हैं, and this metallic shade also looks so beautiful. You get only one metallic shade, but the matte shades are really pretty. So it's a very good eyeshadow palette, and I think this one retails for some 200 or something, like 200 से 250 के बीच में आपको मिल जाएगा ये पैलेट. और एज आई टोल्ड यू, इसके अंदर काफ़ी सारे ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल हैं. आई थिंक इसके अंदर कलरफुल ऑप्शंस भी आते हैं. सो अगर आप कलरफुल पैलेट देख रहे हैं, यू कैन चेक आउट दैट. Now I have one more palette for you, which is from this brand Nikake. This one is in the shade Mocha Mix. I have 3 different variants in this eyeshadow palette. मैंने हर एक वेरिएंट के साथ ना आई लुक क्रिएट किया हुआ है, एक वीडियो किया हुआ है मैंने ऑलरेडी. बट आई थिंक देयर आर 6 शेड्स इफ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग. सो दिस इज हाउ इट लुक्स लाइक. It's like your pink plum palette. It's a very beautiful palette. Again, this one also performs really good. Matte shades, metallic shades सब काफ़ी अच्छे से perform करते हैं, काफ़ी अच्छे से pigmented है. This one you get 5 matte shades and 4 metallic shades. So काफ़ी अच्छा है, and इसके अंदर काफ़ी सारे वेरिएंट भी है. तो अगेन आपकी रिक्वायरमेंट के हिसाब से आप परचेज कर सकते हैं. Now I have one more palette with me, which I'm actually wearing on my eyes. I have created this very nice brown smoky look with this palette. So this one is from Mars again. I don't know this company, this Mars Cosmetic, this brand. I'm finding this brand really good. I recently tried these products and मुझे कुछ products बहुत ही अच्छे लगे, and this is one of them. Again, packaging, like I'm impressed with the packaging. बहुत ही beautiful packaging है. You get this full size mirror, and look at the palette. This is so beautiful palette. I mean, it's a very good palette for your everyday use, and आप smoky looks भी create कर सकते हैं इसके अंदर. Again, a 9-pan palette, 7 matte shades and 2 metallic shades you get. So it's a very वेरी गुड पैलेट, आप बहुत सारे लुक्स इसके साथ क्रिएट कर सकते हैं. एंड यू कैन सी आई एम वेयरिंग दिस लुक. इट वॉज वेरी इजी टू वर्क विथ. सारे मैट शेड्स काफ़ी अच्छे हैं, क्वालिटी काफ़ी अच्छी है, बहुत अच्छी पिगमेंटेशन है, बहुत इजी टू ब्लेंड है. सो दिस इज़ अगेन अ वेरी गुड बजट फ्रेंडली आई शेडो पैलेट ऑप्शन. सो इनमें से आप कोई भी आई शेडो पैलेट ट्राई कर सकते हैं. दे आर वेरी मिनी, लाइक इन मिनी साइज काइंड ऑफ, राइट. तो इट्स वेरी इजी टू कैरी दीज एज वेल. और सिंस अफोर्डेबल है तो आप एक से ज़्यादा पैलेट भी परचेज कर सकते हैं बेस्ड ऑन योर रिक्वायरमेंट. लाइक आप एक एवरीडे काइंड ऑफ पैलेट परचेज कर सकते हैं. देन यू कैन बाय वन कलरफुल पैलेट एज वेल फॉर सम ओकेजन. सो आई थिंक these are very good option for that. Now for kajal as well, I have couple of recommendations. So first one is this one from Nykaa. This is kind of their new launch. This is their black magic kajal. It's a very affordable kajal. I think 200 rupees or something का आता है, और मे बी उससे भी कम. It's a very affordable kajal, very creamy, काफ़ी अच्छे से pigmented है. एंड इट्स अ रिट्रैक्टेबल काजल, वेरी इजी टू वर्क विथ. एंड बहुत ही अच्छा काजल है, मतलब मेरे लिए काफ़ी अच्छा है बिकॉज आई हैव सेंसिटिव आईज. तो अगर बहुत ज़्यादा हार्श रहता है ना काजल तो इट डजंट वर्क फॉर मी, बट इट्स नॉट हार्श, इट्स वेरी इजी टू वर्क विथ. एंड इसके अलावा यू कैन ट्राई के ब्यूटी काजल. आई डोंट हैव दैट वन विथ मी, लाइक आई एम नॉट एबल टू फाइंड इट. मैं उसको लेके बैठी थी बट आई एम नॉट एबल टू फाइंड इट, पता नहीं कहाँ रख दिया मैंने. या बट आई इंसर्ट अ पिक्चर ऑफ दैट काजल हियर. दैट इज अगेन अ वेरी वेरी गुड काजल, और वो भी काफ़ी अच्छे से पिगमेंटेड है. एंड इट्स वेरी इजी टू वर्क विद दैट काजल एज वेल. नेक्स्ट फॉर मस्कारा, आई हैव अ बॉम्ब रिकमेंडेशन फॉर यू, एंड दैट इज दिस मस्कारा फ्रॉम एसेंस. दिस इज देयर लैश प्रिंसेस मस्कारा. This mascara comes in many variants, but this one, the green one, the Lash Princess one, is a really good mascara. I'm wearing this mascara only in my eyes. I'm not wearing any lashes, and look at my lashes guys. They look so beautiful. It's a very beautiful mascara. इसकी wand इतनी अच्छी है ना. Look at the wand. ये बहुत ज़्यादा thick wand नहीं है, बहुत ज़्यादा thin wand नहीं है, मतलब it's very easy to work with both on upper lashes, lower lashes. बहुत ही easy है इसके साथ काम करना. It provides very nice curl, volume and length to your lashes. बहुत ही beautiful mascara है. Like मैं जब पहली बार यूज़ किया था तब से आई एम इन लव विद दिस मस्कारा. दिस इज़ अ रियली गुड मस्कारा. पूरे रिकमेंडेशंस में से अगर आपको कोई एक ही प्रोडक्ट परचेज करना हो ना तो परचेज दिस वन बिकॉज इट्स अ वेरी गुड प्रोडक्ट. नेक्स्ट फॉर मेकअप फिक्सर आई हैव दिस वन फॉर यू अगेन फ्रॉम वेट एंड वाइल्ड. सो दिस इज देयर कोकोनट 3-in-1 प्राइमर वाटर. This primer water you can use as a primer, like before applying your makeup you can use that, or to set your makeup as well you can use this. It's a very good product and it smells so nice, like it smells like coconut. And the spray here, see, it has a very fine spray, तो काफ़ी easy है यूज़ करना. It sets the makeup really well और बहुत ही अच्छा smell करता है, so that's why I really like it. Now for lipstick category I have so many recommendations, so I'm not including that in this video. I've already done a video on my lipstick favorite lipsticks under 300 rupees, so I'll link that video for you. So if you're looking for a lipstick recommendation you can check out that video. That includes both matte and liquid formulas. So let's not talk about lipsticks in today's video. Now as I told you in the intro, I have recommendations for tools as well for you in today's video. So for sponge I have this one from Mars again. It's a very good sponge. You can see it's very squishy. It's a dry sponge, like अभी तक मैंने इसको wet नहीं किया है, but still it's very squishy, and once you wet it काफ़ी expand हो जाता है and it becomes more squishy. So it's a very good sponge, and this one is very affordable. I think 150 to 200 rupees कुछ का आता है. So it's a very good sponge. काफ़ी अच्छे से blend कर देता है product को, and it doesn't absorb a lot of product. It does, like generally makeup sponges करते ही हैं product absorb, तो ये भी करता है but not too much, and it's very easy to clean as well. I have already cleaned it like 2 times and you can see there is no stain. So it's very easy to work with, it's very easy to clean, and बहुत अच्छे से आपके फाउंडेशन को blend कर देता है. तो it's a very good makeup sponge in budget category. Now for brushes, I will recommend you guys to try the brushes from Cuffs and Lashes. Like for your eye brushes, you can use the brushes from their Shy Style range, the one which they came out with in the collaboration with Shy Style. I have already done a detailed review on those brushes, the eye brushes. I'll link that video for you. सारे brushes काफ़ी अच्छे हैं. You get 9 brushes in that set, and सारे brushes बहुत अच्छे हैं, and they are available individually as well. तो आपको जो भी आपकी requirement है उसके हिसाब से purchase कर सकते हैं. But the quality of the brushes is really good and they work really well. बहुत सुंदर दिखते भी हैं. For eye brushes you can check out that range, and for the face brushes you can check out their basic one, like the one they came out before the Shy Style one, the like cuffs and lashes one, uski ye they look like this is their powder brush. This is a multi-purpose brush. You can use this for bronzer, powder, blush, किसी के लिए भी use कर सकते हैं. It's a multi-purpose brush. And like this one, this is their contouring brush. This is the F012. ऐसे ही उनका फाउंडेशन ब्रश भी है. एंड देन आई डोंट हैव द फाउंडेशन ब्रश विथ मी, बट दिस इज देयर कंसीलर ब्रश फ्रॉम द सेम रेंज. इसकी जो क्वालिटी है वो उतनी अच्छी नहीं है जितनी शाई स्टाइल वालों की है, बट स्टिल दे वर्क रियली वेल. लाइक फॉर अफोर्डेबल ब्रशेज दीज आर रियली गुड ऑप्शन. फाउंडेशन ब्रश, कंसीलर ब्रश, and these two brushes are really good. I think they have 10 brushes in this set, but I like only these 4 brushes. So these brush options are really good if you're looking for affordable brushes, and these are also available individually. I won't recommend you to buy the whole set because उसमें जो 5 brushes हैं वो उतने अच्छे नहीं हैं. Yeah, those are my 2 recommendations for you. So yeah, that completes the video. I know ये video काफ़ी लंबा हो गया, but I wanted to share each and everything with you. Like I tried to cover each and every category, but still if I miss something, please let me know in the comment box. I'll be very happy to answer your queries. So yeah guys, that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video and it was helpful for you. Please let me in the comment box if you're planning on purchasing any of these products. And as I told you, the links of all these products will be in the description box. And I'll also mention the links of the reviews. Like जिन भी products पे मैंने अपने reviews share किए हुए हैं मेरे channel पे, I'll provide all the links in the description box. So yeah guys, that's a wrap. I hope you liked this video and you found it helpful. If you did, please like and share this video. Also please subscribe to my channel if you haven't done already, and don't forget to press the notification bell so that you will be notified for my future uploads. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. I'll see you in my next one. Until then, take care. Bye.